welcome to the channel. And today we're working on Bobcat in a no crank situation, and we're looking for voltage drop case. And this can happen on any type of equipment, and a very common issue. And let's try to start. And I turned key to the start position and nothing happened. If you're first time to the channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell and you won't miss any videos. Thank you so much for that. And yeah, as I said, very common situation can be a loose connection at the battery, corroded terminals, or if you have a master switch it can be off, but that's very obvious. But let's check for the battery voltage, and that situation started happening a while ago, and battery was charged overnight. And yeah, and I'm looking specifically for 13.1 at the battery, and we have what reading at the starter terminal, and here we go, we're getting to 11.5. we have a voltage drop, as I said, and internal resistance of the circuit is an undesirable thing, and because it leads to the loss of power from the supply. And there's a terminal, and what we're going to do, we're going to disconnect the battery cables on both sides, and battery and starter, do them good cleanup, and all that undesirable resistance needs to be minimized. And voltage drop can be easily determined in a circuit, and as a multiplying current in the circuit by total resistance in a circuit. And as you know already, starter motor pulls a lot of current, and all that rust and corrosion on terminals increases resistance, and that can lead to no crank issue. It's very common. I just would like to share with you, I might help you one day, just showing you direction. And yeah, let's try it now. Okay, let's turn our key to the on position, glow plugs, circle on them, and crank it up. There we go, beauty. Still have a battery flashing. Our battery is not good, but we're doing the voltage drop, and as you can see, it's pretty simple. Thank you so much again. Yeah, see you soon. Stay safe. Bye bye.